All right, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your boy Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports, Ladson, South Carolina. Today, we got a gorgeous video on a 16 Volkswagen Golf R. It's got tons of good, tasteful upgrades. Odometer's rocking 59,000 miles. All the upgrades will be listed right on my website. You can see some of the visual ones. Good solid set of raised wheels, finished off in like pearl white iridescent blue. They look so damn good. Any Volkswagen Golf, 59K. I'm going to try to point out any flaws I can see. Obviously, you guys can tell the car has been lowered. Again, all the upgrades will be directly in the description below. I had to rinse it off real quick. Drove it through the grass. Got a little dirty. I drove it, man. You know, I put about 100 miles on this car. It is super fun to drive. Basic flaws: 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe a few other ones. A couple small rock chips on the hood. Front bumper, no lower damage. The bumper looks really good. Again, same thing. Maybe 2 or 3 small rock chips. This car is finished off as well in pearl white paint. It's kind of hard to see it right now because the sun's not shining. We'll move on to the interior. The interior, finished off leather interior. It is flawless on the inside as well. We'll get this one final detail, definitely before anybody shows up to see it. A little dirt collecting on the floor mat, no big deal. We'll get that all shined up. Carbon fiber accents. Again, Golf R. Super hard combination to find. Freaking white on black. Leather interior's in flawless shape. Door panels clean from any damage. Just go over to the driver's side real quick. Give you guys a shot of that view from the cockpit. These paddle shift cars are so fun to drive too. Power seats. Oh, let me get my little butt up in here. All right, so we got 59,601 on the dash. Got the beautiful little power shifters. Little paddle shifters, little app connect. Anyway, car's flawless. You see a little bit of dirt in the inside, but there's no damage I could point out. Deluxe rating on a scale of 1 to 10. Interior, after it's clean, easily 9.8 all day long on a 16. Exterior condition, because of some of the basic small rock chips and stuff, it is very, very nice for a 16. You guys know my scale's pretty tough. I'm gonna rate that joker a 9.2 because it's not perfect, but it's damn close. It looks like the car has all original paintwork. Doesn't look like anything's been painted before. Got back cargo mat. Just a gorgeous car in person, folks. If you guys haven't ever drove one of these or seen one of these in person, such a cool car. Whether you got kids, no kids. Probably the only thing that I would do to it if I bought it and kept it, I'd probably definitely black out the windshield in the windows, and dude, it would be such a badass car. Anyway, all the upgrades on the description. It's got some good, solid, tasteful upgrades that you guys will want to know about, so make sure you guys head over there. If you guys have any questions, hit us up on the website, deluxemotorsports.com. If you guys have any questions, you can always give us a call, 843-697-7501. And we are locked and loaded with tons of unique vehicles right here. Deluxe Motorsports. We're located in Ladson, South Carolina, the greater Charleston area. If you're in the market for a sports car, lifted truck, sales, parts, service, your boy right here, Lux, has got you covered. Anyway, till next time, next video, it's your boy Mark, Deluxe Motorsports.